Hi, this is Greg McIntyre at McIntyre Elder Law, and we're going to talk about title protection services today. There's a lot of buzz out there, and has been for a number of years now, about the dangers of someone else fraudulently filing a deed to transfer your property or to take out a loan on your property and attach what's called a deed of trust that the bank would require to be able to foreclose on your property if that loan wasn't paid back. Now, regardless of the prevalence, there is the perception out there that this is going on, and it is widely advertised. Things like title lock services, those things, that may be some national or third party agency that assist in monitoring your deed and your title to real estate, say your home, for example. So I wanted to talk about, is that legitimate, how that works, and our service called Title Protection Service, or TPS. So the Register of Deeds in any county in North Carolina records all deeds to real estate, all deeds of trust you may have given out to a bank to be able to be connected to a promissory note you signed in connection with a loan on that real estate that's tying that security interest to that loan. That is public record. That is available if you go physically to the Register of Deeds, or if you search those deeds online. And it goes back a certain number of years in the Register of Deeds. I know when I started, I did a ton of title searches as part of a real estate attorney function and firm, where I just got really good at intimately familiar with the Register of Deeds, the chain of title, and to get title insurance on a property to insure a loan for a new owner or for a lender. You have to really know the chain of title and go back 30 years. Sometimes there may be even a requirement to go back 40 years. So some of those searches I would have to physically go to the Register of Deeds, and I couldn't just pull that information online at the Register of Deeds website. Some Register of Deeds websites are easier to use than others. Some of them require passwords to get into in North Carolina. But we are very good at being able to plug in and see what's going on in the chain of title, even currently with a piece of real estate. So I had a client not too long ago that came in, and I've had multiple clients ask me to provide this service. But he said, Greg, you and your team of paralegals and attorneys are a lot better at using those systems than I am. And you're in them all the time. I want to hire you to look at my property regularly, let's say every month, and give me a report on what's going on with my property. He said, because if even I checked and I found out something had happened where someone had fraudulently tried to transfer a deed or had filed a fraudulent deed of trust trying to take out money on property in connection with some kind of fraudulent loan, then I'm going to come to you anyway to figure it out and handle it. So you might as well know, so you can plug me in and then advise me on what to do. And the way he put that to me made a ton of sense. So he brought me a gift of knowing exactly what I'd thought about doing for a long time and had a lot of skill and knowledge about, which was providing a service for our clients where we check regularly, monthly, the status of your title, of your house or other real estate, and we give you a report. And then we alert you if there's been any transfer of that property, or someone's filed a deed of trust in connection with a loan on that property, so that you can know right away if something's going on that's fraudulent or bad with your home, any other real estate you own, and the deeds associated with that real estate. So that really is title protection services or deed protection services. One of the tenets of my practice is to help people really secure their real estate, especially their home, and pass that along to their loved ones so it's not lost and so it stays in their family. So I'm proud to bring you today our title protection services, where myself, our real estate paralegals, will check the status of your title and issue a report monthly to you, and it's a very low cost. So it's a very low cost and small price to pay to have a local attorney to the state to be able to monitor your title and then alert you. And then the addition is, it's not just the alert, because as that client was telling me, and he was exactly right, if there is something that's happened, we're going to be, if there's something that happens that doesn't look right, we're going to be able to not only alert you, but also set up a meeting to discuss how to fix it and what we need to do so you can take quick action to protect your hard-earned money and property, okay? Your real estate, ultimately your home. Our title protection services, I'd love to talk to you more about them. If you would like to talk about our title protection services to protect your home and real estate and have an attorney that's retained to issue a report and keep a pulse on what's going on with your property, give me a call. I'd offer a free short consult to discuss it. My number is 1-888-999-6600 if you want to set up that consult, or you can schedule right on my calendar online on our website at mcelderlaw.com. That's M as in Mike, C as in Charlie, elderlaw.com/scheduling. If you go directly to that link, mcelderlaw.com/scheduling, you can schedule right on our calendars, okay? And I'm happy to bring this service to North Carolina and to offer this to our clients. Morgan and Bree are in the room today helping me produce this live show. We do this every Thursday at 10 o'clock. Morgan, can we put out a blog on our, and an e-newsletter associated with that?
Absolutely.
That where we really detail out in writing what this service is, and we can bring that straight to people's inboxes and they can read about it on our website.
Absolutely.
And you can sign up for the blog. We have a ton of great information like this and other information and educational information about laws and changes in laws regarding estate planning, asset protection, benefits qualification, right on our website at mcelderlaw.com/blog. So constantly trying to improve, educate, learn myself, write, and really dig deep on a lot of these subjects. Check out our title protection services, TPS for short. mcelderlaw.com/scheduling is your free consult link, as well as call us. We have plenty of communication specialists that would love to help set up that consult for you, and they're great. 1-888-999-6600. You guys have a great day. Next week, we'll be back with some great information here live on Facebook. So catch up with me on the Elder Law Update next Thursday at 10 a.m. Have a great week.
Please don't wait.